Today we want to talk about Akivers, a GameFi platform that allows you to mine some free cryptocurrencies while playing games on this platform. This might probably be your very first time of hearing of the word GameFi, right? So GameFi simply means gaming finance. Why we have finance with gaming is simply because you could be able to make money while playing games. So I'm here to present to you 4 opportunities for making money on Akivers. But before we dive right in, if you're a returning subscriber, you're welcome. Just make sure you give me a like. And if this is your very first time of visiting my YouTube channel, I need you to smash the subscribe button, give me a like, and drop your name in the comments below so I can welcome you. So the first means of making money from Akivers is by simply playing games. And I feel it's high time you go and delete every single game on your phone that is not giving you money. One of the reasons I love Akivers so much is because it doesn't consume any space on your device. So if you don't have any space on your phone, don't worry, because these games can be played either on the mobile phone or using your laptop. So how do you earn on Akivers? You earn on Akivers by playing games, and when you win these games, you are able to accumulate some Terra tokens. The second means of earning from Akivers is by joining Akivers' ambassadorship program. Spread the good news about Akivers and invite your family and friends and your community members to sign up on Akivers using your referral link. The third means of making money from Akivers is by participating in the sticker challenge. This is an opportunity for you to show off your creative abilities and earn rewards via weekly sticker challenge. The fourth means of making money from Akivers is by participating in a weekly tournament that happens in a closed WhatsApp group. To be a part of this, you have to create an account on Akivers using my referral link, which I'm going to leave the link in the description of this video. Once you are done with the registration, send me a DM on WhatsApp, then you are going to be added to the closed WhatsApp group. The fifth means of making money from Akivers is by joining the Community Cup. So this is where you collaborate with fellow players and compete for epic rewards in the Community Cup. Recently, lots of users have been requesting that Akivers should launch a paid tournament to increase their chances of earning more while playing these games. The good news is Akivers just launched paid tournaments where you can join with a minimum of $1 or $3 or even $5, and I believe that subsequently we are going to be able to join games with up to $50 to $100. So this is how it works. For the $1 game, during this tournament, Akivers is actually going to be the one to choose what game you should play. Well, on the $3 and the $5 games, Akivers gives you the liberty to choose whatever game you are familiar and comfortable with playing. And also, Akivers now has advantage tokens. Advantage tokens helps you multiply your Terra tokens while playing games during tournaments. I know you are wondering, how much exactly could I be able to earn from paid games? You could earn up to 2x to 5x to 10x, depending on how many Terra tokens you are able to accumulate while participating in paid tournaments. This is how it works. Let's say we have 100 gamers in a certain paid tournament, and this particular tournament, all these gamers join with $3 each, and we now have a prize pool of $300. So the amount of Terras you are able to accumulate during this tournament is what determines how many USDC you are going to end up with, because your Terras are going to be exchanged to USDC at the end of every single tournament. So with your $1, you could end up with $3 to $5, which is like 3 or 5x. And with your $3, you could end up with as much as $30, which is like 10x your initial investment or whatever. If you have any question, don't forget to drop it in the comments below. Like this video and follow for more opportunities like this one.